Hi, this is Bharat Tippireddy, a software architect and best-selling instructor with close to 1 million students across 210 countries. This course will help you master LangGraph, a powerful framework to create multi-agentic applications using GenAI. This course is for anyone who has completed my LangChain course or for those of you with background of LangChain. We will start this course by learning what LangGraph is and why it is a game changer for orchestrating LLM-based applications. You will create a graph-based workflow using nodes and edges. You will manage and update the state as the data flows through your graph. You will validate the state of your workflow by using the Pydantic library. You will learn how to invoke graphs asynchronously and implement streaming outputs for responsive applications. You will add conditional routing between nodes to create dynamic workflows, use reducers and message state to automatically append and maintain conversation history. You will understand how tool calling works and use tool node from LangGraph to invoke external tools from within your agent. You will explore how memory works in LangGraph and use checkpointers to implement memory. You will apply this while building a restaurant search and table booking application. You will then see Agentic RAG in action. You will implement a Agentic RAG based current affairs summarizer that retrieves and reasons over real-time data. You will learn what human in the loop means in Agentic Workflows and implement human in the loop for a code generation agent. You will understand the different ways to use subgraphs and learn how they help modularize and scale your applications. You will then bring everything together to implement a real-time insurance claim management system involving multiple tools, memory, conditional logic, and human in the loop. Using Langsmith, you will trace, debug, and evaluate your workflows like a pro. Last but not the least, you will master common agentic patterns for designing reusable intelligent AI systems.